Hello everybody. This video is all about how to create your own boundaries. If you don't know how to create your own boundaries in your life, then you are lacking a lot from your life. Yes, if you want to know how to create your boundaries, you are in a right place right now to learn about it. To know it deeper, please stay tuned till the end of this video so that you can know how you can create your own boundaries with just a fourth step. You need to do this fourth step in your life to create your own boundaries. Now, first of all, why we should create a boundaries for ourselves. If you don't create a boundaries for yourself, you won't be able to have your own space to work, to dream, to find your goals. Yes, for that we need to create our boundaries. Yes. Now, who I am? I am Shantini, mother of a young daughter and a dog, and together we have a fun-filled, fantastic life. And how I achieve this fun-filled, fantastic life? By creating my own boundaries. There was a time when I don't have the boundaries. I allowed everybody to talk about myself, talk about my career, my life and everything. Then I was in a miserable state. I literally didn't used to know what exactly to be done, how to work about, how to go about, how to achieve my own goals. Then I learned how to create my own boundaries and I am living a fulfilled, fantastic life for myself. So here I gives you my tips. First of all, when you are want to create your boundaries, be defined to it. What I mean by defined to it, identify your desired boundaries. Everyone is having their own boundaries. Everyone is having their own desire to create their own boundaries. What I like, you may not like. What you like, I may not like. So, first thing is you have to create your desired boundary for yourself. Create that. And now, second thing, what you are going to do with this defined and your identified desired boundaries, you will be say what you need to say about your boundaries. If you have make it a point that this thing you are not going to do, so communicate with the others that please don't ask me to do this. I am not going to do it. So please be communicative about your boundaries so that everybody should know what exactly you want. That is very important to create your boundaries and when you are creating your own boundary. Stay simple. Don't over-explain the things. Make it a point. Stick to it. I don't want to do, I will not do. And be very simple to it and don't over-explain the things what you want and what you don't. Because people overjudge you over your words. When you say the things repeatedly, they take you for the granted. They said that okay, fine, he or she is telling this, so she might not do it. Second and the last and the very important point is set the consequences. Say why it is important for you to have that boundary in your life. You know what? When I created my boundaries, I make it a point, I clear it to everybody that why this boundary is important for me and why I want this boundary around me. Please make it very sure. If you don't set your consequences, people will take you for granted and they will keep on doing the things what they are doing. So it is very important, my dear friends, to create all these 4 points when you are creating your boundaries. जब तक आप इन चारों चीज़ों को अच्छी तरह से अपनी लाइफ में नहीं लाएंगे, तब तक बाउंड्री बनाने का कोई मतलब नहीं होता है. And once you create your own boundaries, please let me know in my comment box and do subscribe my channel for other tips